Hello dear students, today in English grammar we are going to start lesson 25. In this lesson we will be discussing some of the concepts of English language. Nominalization. When one part of speech is converted to their noun forms, that is known as nominalization. Happy, happiness. Happy is an adjective, happiness is a noun. So one adjective has been changed into a noun. Fly is a verb, flight is noun. Fly has been changed into flight. So this process is known as nominalization when we convert one part of speech to the noun form. Commonly confused prepositions. For and since. For is used when the duration or span of an action is being referred to. When we talk about the duration or span of an action, for that for is used. I have known the truth for a long time. So this is what? A duration. Since is used to show when action started. When the action has been started, for that we are using since. I have been studying since 5 o'clock. When the action was started, 5 o'clock. So for that we are using since. We usually use the present perfect continuous or past perfect continuous tense with since. We have studied this in tenses. Grammar bite. For is not used with phrases like all day and all time, even though they denote the span of an action. So with the phrases like all day and all time, we don't use for, though they are representing the duration of a time. During and while. During is used to suggest the entire duration for which an action takes place. When we talk about the whole duration, for that we are using during. We played for long hours during our summer holidays. So during our summer holidays, for the whole summer holidays we are talking. So that is why we are using during. While is used to talk about an action takes place simultaneously with another action. When two action takes place simultaneously, then we are using while. We sat in silence, this is one action. While we were addressed by the teacher, this is another action. So two actions are taking place simultaneously. Until and by. Until denotes the continuation of an action till a certain point in time. So action will be in process at a point of time, or to talk about when something begins and when it ends. For that time we will be using until. Wait for me until I return. So for a particular continuation of an action, until will be used. By refers to the time within which an action is completed. Time when action gets completed, for that we are using by. I will be done with this project by next Monday. So this is the period within which the action will be completed. So this was a small explanation of this chapter. I hope you all have understood. Thank you. Goodbye. God bless you all.